Yeah, this is Bryce Andrews. I'm going to demonstrate my Enhancement 2 for the Acme web page. First, I'm going to show a couple things that I fixed on my Acme web page. I fixed how it responds. It's responsive. Down, I fixed the Acme rocket so it responds, gets smaller. Fixed the navigation bar so it stacks on a smaller screen. Fix the bottom here so it will move over and stack, and you have the footer there. So that's the responsiveness on that. For the validation, I'm going to validate this CSS really quick. Did it earlier. Oh, there it is in there. Check it. It just gave me some warnings. Didn't like that I used the background color and border color the same on that table, but that's how I wanted it. So validating my HTML. There's my home. Copy. It just doesn't like my PHP stuff, but that's okay. I did fix the template. To include this, I'll run that to show that. There's my template right there. Okay, and for this week's Enhancement 2, I have the Enhancement 2 folder with the SQL text, or the statements in there. I guess I'll just run through these and show you that they work. Here's the first one. Copy that. Over localhost, click on Acme, SQL, we'll put that in there. And hit go. One row inserted into clients. So we got Tony Stark, inserted it there. There's two in there because I checked it before and I didn't delete the other one. So we'll go to the second one. We're going to update that one we just made. Make sure we're on the Acme. Oops. Go. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. Here's my error. Go. That works. I'm going to come back in here. Make sure, okay, client level 3. Now I'm going to come back in here and change that. Oh, I had that error right there. Change that. Okay. So the next one. Copy. I'm just going to check these, make sure they look all good. Make sure run Acme SQL. Do that. Oh, what did we do? Line 2. Oh. Thought I had that. Go. Okay. One row affected. We'll go to the category or inventory. Come down. Climbing rope. It was nylon, so that's changed to climbing. This is changed to climbing. And this is climbing here. Go back to Acme. We go back in here. Change that. There we go. Alright, next one. Copy that. Come to SQL. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Alright. Join categories. Okay, on this one, I forgot my inventory there. So I had to fix that. And it shows the 7 miscellaneous ones. Okay, so that one worked finally after a minute. And now I need to delete this one. Go. Yes, we do want to delete it. So if we go to inventory, go down, we will see that line 7 is missing. So we deleted that. Okay, so that is that. And so for the rest of it, connections, PHP. If we run this with this, it should run a blank page. On that, which it does. And if we alter it and run it again, it ought to bring up our, oops, there was an error. So that function works. So we can put that back in. We can take this out. Here's my view folder with my 500 PHP text. Run that. It's an error view. So the PDO connection function works. It's in the library folder, and it redirects it to the PHP stored in the view folder. And I think that's it for my video. Thanks for watching.